So here we're going to show you how you can run your own GDB commands whilst using the debugger in Visual Micro. So here we have our Teensy GDB Stub set up as shown in the video appearing in the top right, and we've already uploaded the code to our board, so we're just going to attach straight to the debugger. There we go, we've landed on our breakpoint. So now we're going to want to open the Visual Studio command window, which you can open from the View, Other Windows and Command window, or the shortcut Control Alt and A. So once you've got this window open, you can now type Debug.MIDebugExec. As shown here, there is an autocomplete feature. If you just put another space in and then type your GDB command as you normally would at the command prompt. So in this case we're going to try the digital write, which is on the Teensy GDB Stub page. So we can run monitor and digital write and then the pin, its state as you normally would in your Arduino code. And that's just turned our LED on and set it back to 0, and that's turned it off without actually stepping through the code. So you can also run any other GDB command and you should get the feedback, as we can see here, as you normally would at the command prompt. So now you can do further analysis if you're used to the command interface for GDB, or look at additional functionality which may not be included in the IDE buttons. Another thing to note is when you stop debugging, there are actually some options to set your own custom stop debugging commands. So here we've included a local board.txt file in our project, and we can add this midebugger.stop.commands option. And here we're going to run the quit command, which is already run by GDB, but it's just an example. So if you wish to include multiple commands, just add the semicolon on the end. So if we now attach, we can step, and then when we stop it will run our additional command just before it runs the final quit. So that can be useful if you need to run a monitor exit command, for example, or it depends which debugger you've got as to what you may need to run. Now it's also useful to note the monitor alternative option here on the general menu. So in this scenario we have our GDB Stub on COM23, but we want to monitor COM24 because that's where our serial output will come from. So as you can see, we can leave the board selection on COM23 but still pop open COM24 to get our additional serial output. It's especially useful with GDB stubs as well as multiple serial ports.